Still struggling with switching printers for different materials? Want to print your ideas on any surface? Look here, it will completely change everything you imagined about printing. Whether it's tough glass, metal, soft leather, or even elastic fabrics, the UV-6090F Star V Printer truly makes everything printable, equipped with an intelligent visual positioning system for precise printing. Highlight 1, All-in-One Printing. UV-6090F Star V Printer lets your creativity go beyond limits. Personalized phone cases. Unique customized gift boxes. Premium transparent glass products. Creative leather products. Highlight 2, Flexible Printing. Exclusively compatible with TPU and other flexible materials, combined with special inks, it can precisely print all kinds of 3D logos on sportswear. Look, full and vivid 3D effect, stretch resistant, rub resistant, patterns are as firm as if they grew right on the surface. Highlight 3, Visual Positioning and Curved Surface Printing. UV-6090F Star V Printer comes with a high-precision visual positioning system. Place freely, smart recognition, and precise alignment. Even curved and irregular objects can be easily printed. Customizing irregular-shaped gifts has never been easier. Highlight 4, Color Master. And for those who seek perfection, this printer is truly a master of colors. Smooth gradient transitions, fluorescent colors that grab attention. The rich color combinations give every product you create incredible added value. So, whether you're starting a business, upgrading your production line, or offering customers unique value, the UV-6090F Star V is no longer just a printer. It's your ultimate creative partner to unlock unlimited business opportunities.